Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a double star. I'm using a cloth napkin for this one, but a paper napkin also works. It's actually a little bit easier with a paper napkin. Now we're going to start by folding both of these edges into the center. Next we'll fold this in half, bringing this top edge down to the bottom edge. Next, bring both of these edges into the center. Next, we'll unfold the right side. Then we'll bring this edge into that crease that we just made there. Next, we'll pick that up and fold that edge behind, making a new crease right along these edges. Then we're going to bring that new crease into this edge. And we'll repeat those steps on the left side. So we'll unfold this, bring this edge into that crease, and fold that edge behind. Bring it into the center. Now we're going to mountain fold the whole thing in half. Next we'll pick that up, and I'm going to look at the bottom here. You'll notice on the bottom side there's multiple layers right here, where if you look at the other side you don't have as many layers. We're going to be focusing on the side that has the more layers. Now we're going to start on the right here. We're going to be making an inside reverse fold with this part. So we'll take just one layer and we're going to fold this down. We're going to bring this edge to line up with these edges here. And then as you close that up, this edge will line up with this edge. Now we need to repeat that with each of these edges. So I'll show you again with this one. And with the next one. And the last one. Next, we're going to turn this around. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. There's only 3 edges to do it with this time. So we'll start with this one right here. And move on to the next one. And one more. Now if you look right here, you're going to take this edge and fold it behind. Just tucking it in right there. Then turn it around, do the same thing with this edge. Just fold that point behind. Now it should look like this. Now you're going to want to look and see the one that has 5 points. You should have 5 points here and then 4 points on the other side. You're going to orient it so the one with 5 points is facing towards you or towards your guest. And you'll just set it right down and open it up. And you're all done. Now, I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.